find them. Now, have you started it? Ooh, I found a jungle, guys. This is epic. Okay, I knew I was gonna make an epic world. This is awesome, you know? Wow, that tree's like humongous.
We zoomed in. Oh, I'm sorry, I zoomed in.
I don't know what to do, so first I'm gonna get some wood.
Yeah, we're playing this on a
iPad.
Yeah, we're playing this
Kindle
on
Fire. Kindle Fire HD7 actually.
So we're not playing this on no computer like any other YouTuber.
Yeah.
I'm just a different YouTuber.
Yeah, we don't have everything set up yet.
And I have no subscribers.
Yeah, we don't have any subscribers. So if you want to subscribe, we don't really have any place to subscribe. Just say I subscribe.
All you have to do is type up Matt, M-A-T-T. If you're writing this down, Matt, M-A-T-T-A-L-C-A-L-C-A.
Why are there two videotapers right here?
Okay.
This doesn't make sense at all. Are you both sending this to YouTube?
Yeah, I'm sending mine.
It'll be the same
I'm
video.
sending mine because of course I'm a YouTuber.
Oh frick.
It's not even videotaping it. Yes it is.
Okay.
Okay.
No, guys, I don't know.
This is only the beginning. Wait until you see this. This is gonna be a whole long.
This is gonna be a long video, guys.
Kinda.
So just sit back and get some popcorn. Thanks. Okay, fine.
Do you have internet here?
What?
Do you have internet?
Yeah.
Oh, can you go on YouTube to? Let's see if this is zoomed out. Yes, it is. Zoom out. It is.
Guys, I need this wood. I haven't built a house yet. I'm just a poor orphan child. No offense, but I am small. In Minecraft, look at me. I'm a freaking army dude. Who knows that?
Show here. I'm freaking,
Superman.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna move on to another dude. See, when we come back to him, let's see how much light got there.
Settings left.
Okay, I don't know why this is not showing. I think I like black better for some reason.
Guys, do you like mine better? I think you would.